Hey, it's Chance with Premier Trailer Leasing. Today we're talking about reefers. Let's get into it. Here are some simple but important tips to keep you moving. The first one is simple but often overlooked. Avoid running reefer units out of fuel. Make sure you maintain sufficient battery voltage. Check whether continuous mode or cycle sentry mode is required for your load. Never ignore alarms. If an alarm appears, always check the menu for more details and report the problem. Always pre-cool the unit to the desired set point before loading to ensure proper temperature stability. Limit door openings. Keeping doors closed as much as possible helps maintain a constant temperature. And that's it. Following these best practices should keep your reefers running smoothly. And when in doubt, give us a call. We're always here to help.